Hi there and welcome to my channel one more time. This is your girl Diane. Welcome. Today I'm going to be making some Rasta pasta. So first I'm cooking the pasta, just cook it as normal as you would like to. I've had some chicken strips, so I've stripped some chicken breast and I've fried that to add to my Rasta pasta. And then I've got my other season here. So I've got some chopped garlic and a bit of thyme. I've got an onion chopped, it's a medium-sized onion. I've got red, green and yellow peppers all in a strip, all ready to be used. I like them being in a strip, so you can chop them finer if you want. I've got jerk season. I've got some browning. I've got a tub of extra thick cream, double cream. I've got two of these because I'm making a lot of pasta, and I've got a tablespoon of paprika and a tablespoon of black pepper. So after my pasta is boiled, I've left it aside to drain. I have tossed my onion and garlic in oil until they're sort of starting to go golden brown. Then I add my thyme and my peppers, and I'll toss that about for say another 2 to 3 minutes, just bringing out the flavor into everything while it remains crisp. Then I'll add my chicken. Remember, you don't have to add chicken if you don't want to. If you're a vegetarian, feel free not to add the chicken because it's still nice without, but I wanted a bit of chicken. If you're new here, welcome. If you're returning, thanks for returning. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Here I've added my cream, and the thing about the cream, once you put the cream in, it starts to melt itself, so you don't need water. The cream will create the liquid you need for your pasta. So you add a tablespoon of jerk season. Don't add a tablespoon if you don't like spicy hot food, just add little at a time. So I add a tablespoon of jerk season, my paprika and my black pepper, and a teaspoon of browning. So I'll just keep stirring those while the cream is dissolving, and then all my flavors will start to marinate together. And by the way, this is absolutely lovely. It's to die for. And remember, you don't have to use the chicken if you don't like it. Just a bit about Rasta Pasta. Rasta Pasta was first created in 1985 in Negril, Jamaica by a chef called Lorraine Washington. So yes, it is Jamaican through and through. So enjoy. Again, don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and leave me a comment if you try this. So here now I went ahead and I've added my pasta. This just looks and tastes yum. So you just add your pasta and keep stirring and turning until your pasta gets all coated with your sauce. And once it's all coated, it's ready to serve. Enjoy, enjoy, enjoy. Thanks again for watching. Thanks again for joining me. And don't forget, if you try this, come back and leave me a comment. Okay? Promise. Until next time, walk good.